Are you a student struggling with construction management assignments? Don't worry, we have got you covered. There is the creating phase. It involves planning, budgets, and adhering to regulations. Our experts can guide you through this complex process. The pre-construction phase is next, where project owners give the green light. We help you evaluate site conditions and prepare for the project ahead. Then comes the development phase, where plans become action. We will assist you in managing labor schedules, quality control, and staying within budget. So, why choose TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions for your construction assignments? Our certified expert writers. Adherence to professor's instructions. Quick turnaround time. Thorough editing and proofreading. Plagiarism-free content. With TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions, you'll ace your construction management assignments, achieving academic success effortlessly. Contact us today at www.techiesgroup.co.in. Call us at +918 305 233 223 or email us at info@techiesgroup.co.in.